Recently, I polled my subscribers by asking them the question, what's the typical audience retention rate of your YouTube videos? 49% of my subscribers said they get a 30% audience retention rate. 30% said they get 20% or less, and 11% said they get 50%. Comment below what is the typical audience retention rate for your YouTube videos. In this video, you'll learn the benefits of audience retention, what YouTube says about audience retention, how to read audience retention in YouTube Analytics, and what is a good audience retention rate on videos that perform well on my channel. Stick around to the end of this video because I'm going to show you where to get my free audience retention checklist. Audience retention on YouTube refers to the percentage of a video viewers watch before they leave the video. A high audience retention means that viewers find the content engaging and valuable. Later, I'll talk about what is a good audience retention rate on YouTube. Here are 5 benefits of maintaining a high audience retention rate on YouTube. Improve video performance. YouTube says you can increase the chance of YouTube suggesting your content by increasing your click-through rate and your video watch time. That means if you keep viewers watching your video all the way through, there's a high probability your video will be recommended by YouTube, resulting in more traffic. Better engagement. When viewers are engaged with your content, they're more likely to comment, share your videos, and subscribe to your channel. Monetization opportunities. Videos with a high retention rate generate more ad revenue because people are watching the video for a longer period of time. They're also more likely to download your lead magnet to get more information because they see you as an authority on this topic. Channel growth. Creating engaging videos leads to more subscribers because they want to keep coming back for more of your content. Competitive advantage. Achieving high retention rates on your videos helps differentiate your channel from your competitors. This makes it more likely to attract new viewers and retain existing ones. When you study your audience retention reports in YouTube Analytics, you'll be able to see when viewers are abandoning your videos. Try to figure out in your video what led to that sudden drop. You could have been waffling or gone off topic. If most viewers are watching your video all the way through, experiment with creating longer form content. Let's look at the audience retention report from the individual video on my channel. If I log into YouTube Studio and click on Analytics and go to the Overview tab, I can see how many views this video has gotten. It'll also show the number of views, watch time, subscribers, and estimated revenue since it was published. This graph shows how the video has been performing since it was published. If I scroll down, I can see the key moments for audience retention. For the intro, it says 42% of viewers are still watching at around the 30-second mark, which is below typical. If I click on top moment, it says, nice work, this video has a part that kept your viewers watching for longer than usual, as you can see here. The gray line you see on the graph is the typical audience retention I get for my videos, so I always want to shoot above that. If I click on 3 spikes, it says spikes appear when more viewers are watching, rewatching, or sharing moments of a video, as shown here in the graph. If I click on 2 dips, it means that viewers are abandoning or skipping certain parts of my video, as shown here on the audience retention graph. When you identify the parts where viewers are skipping or abandoning your video, you can remove them in the next video so you can create a better video. If I click on See More, I can look at views by content, such as watch time, subscribers, estimated revenue, impressions click-through rate. If I want to get more metrics, I can check average view duration. This refers to the estimated average minutes watched per view for the selected content, date range, region, and other filters. As you can see in this video that's accumulated over 1 million views, the average view duration was only 1 minute 32 seconds. I can also add average percentage viewed. This refers to the average percentage of a video your audience watches per view. As you can see for this video that's accumulated over 1 million views since it was published, the average percentage viewed was only 32%. Later, I'll show the audience retention rate for videos on my channel that got over 1 million views. If I scroll past the key moments for audience retention and click See More, I can look at all the segments for more audience retention. Subscribers, non-subscribers, new and returning viewers. New viewers are viewers that watch something on your channel for the first time for a selected time period. Returning viewers are viewers that watched something previously and return to watch more of your content. I can also change the date from since uploaded to last 28 days or last 90 days. The most important takeaways from your audience retention graph is to start off with a strong hook that has an audience retention of over 60 to 70% and then to keep them watching all the way through your video. On your next video, remove the things that cause dips in your previous video so you can improve your audience retention. What if you want to study the audience retention analytics for multiple videos across your entire channel? Click on Analytics in YouTube Studio, then under the Content tab, select Videos. Scroll down where it says Key Moments for Audience Retention. It's got Above Typical Intros and Below Typical Intros. In the videos with above typical intros, 60% of the viewers are still watching within the first 30 seconds. All these videos probably used a strong hook in the first 30 seconds to keep viewers watching. On the right, if you click top moments, you'll see the key moments for audience retention for all these videos on your channel. If you click on dips, you can study the videos on your channel where viewers are abandoning or skipping certain parts of your video. If you click on the audience tab, you'll be able to see the videos that are growing your audience, channels your audience watches, what your audience watches, when your viewers are on YouTube, formats your viewers watch on YouTube, the top countries where your viewers are coming from, the ratio of non-subscribed viewers to subscribed viewers, and also the age and gender of your YouTube audience. The more you know about your target audience, the easier it'll be to make the right content for them. The top 3 videos on my channel have accumulated between 1 million and 2 million views since they were published. Let's study their analytics to see if we can find any patterns. My top video has accumulated over 2 million views and the other 2 over 1 million views. The average percent of view for the top videos on my channel is 30.4%. This is the average percentage of a video your audience watches per view. The video that's received the most views on my channel got 30.5%, my second top video 54.6%, and my third top video 32.8%. Let's look at average view duration, which is the estimated average minutes watched per view for the selected date range. Viewers watch my top video for only 1 minute and 10 seconds out of 3 minutes and 52 seconds. Viewers watch my second top video for only 57 seconds out of 1 minute and 45, which is around 50%. Viewers watch my third top video for 1 minute and 32 seconds out of 4 minutes and 42 seconds, which is also around 50%. Let's look at the number of impressions my top videos got, which refers to how many times my thumbnails were shown to viewers on YouTube. The top 2 videos received over 2 million impressions, and the third one received 1.5 million impressions. Let's look at the impressions click-through rate, which measures how often viewers watch the video after seeing an impression, which refers to a thumbnail. As you can see, the impressions click-through rate for all 3 videos was above 12%, the highest being 16.6%. YouTube says that the impressions click-through rate for most videos on YouTube is between 2 and 10%, so higher than that, you're doing really well. All 3 videos have also accumulated thousands of watch time hours. This refers to the total hours of viewing time from my audience for each video. So how much audience retention is good based upon the results I've shown? Aim for an audience retention rate that's 30% or higher and impressions click-through rate that's above 10%. This aligns with what YouTube recommends when they say you can increase the chance of YouTube suggesting your content by increasing your click-through rate and your video watch time. My recommendation is to try to increase your click-through rate and video watch time by 1% for every new video you upload. If you're currently struggling to keep viewers engaged on your videos, download my free audience retention checklist. It'll show you 12 highly effective ways to keep viewers watching your videos so you can attract more traffic, leads, and sales. Link is in the description. Watch this video on the screen right now for 5 tips to make your YouTube videos more engaging. You'll be glad you did.